You are watching one of the videos in our series of instructional videos on how to assemble a building kit. Click the link in the description below to purchase your own building in a box.
Now that your roof is on, you are ready for your corner trim, rake trim, and ridge cap. The corner trim and rake trim have the same profile, so as long as you use the correct lengths where you need them, you can't go wrong. The corner trim will be cut according to what sidewall height you have. For example, a 10-foot sidewall will require a 10-foot piece of corner trim. Make sure the corner trim goes under the eave trim and screw it in line with the wall screws, making sure the trim is square with the side walls. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. It will give the trim an oil can effect. Once you've installed your corner trim, you're ready to put on the rake trim. Start at the bottom of the roof sheet with your first piece of rake trim, flashing it to the end of the roof metal. Make sure the trim is square with the sidewall and roof before screwing into place. Place screws in line with the screws in the roof sheets. On the face of the rake trim, place screws in the ribs of the end wall metal. Depending on the size of your building, you may only need one more piece to cap the top and finish your rake trim. This piece is cut to allow it to bend over the peak of the roof. Make sure to put screws in the overlap of your rake trim pieces. Now that the rake trim is on, you're ready for ridge cap. Start by applying the provided foam closures to the back side of the ridge cap. For the first piece, you want to seal off the end of the ridge cap using your foam closures. You can see this done on the video as well. Align the ridge cap with the center of the peak of your rake trim and hang past your rake trim ½ inch, screwing into every other rib. When applying foam closures to your next piece of ridge cap, leave 6 inches off the overlapping end so that your ridge cap can overlap correctly. If your building is not insulated, you will need to install foam closures under the ends of your roof sheets. Once the closures are installed, you can screw off the ends of your roof sheets.